Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make customized ringtone like audio. You can use your own voice, your parents, your pets, kids, or however you want. So we will make a ringtone using your recording audio. So let's do this. So here's my ringtones at the moment. But now those are music. But now I'm gonna show you how to make a audio ringtone. So first, let's try to record our voice. There, audio recording. So like, hey, someone's calling. Answer the phone. Or your girlfriend or boyfriend is calling. Answer the phone. Your parents calling. Answer the phone. Something like that. Or ow, 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 meow. Something like that. If you want your pet to be your ringtone, you can do that as well. So our audio is recorded. We're just gonna turn that off and listen to it. So let's record our audio. Like, hey, someone's calling. Answer the phone. Or your girlfriend or boyfriend is calling. Answer the phone. Your parents call. So we are going to turn this one into a ringtone. So there you go. To RT, and now for the ringtone maker. So you need to download this app, Ringtone. This one, Ringtone Maker. So just gonna open it. So this is how it looks like. You're just gonna add the file. So that's RT over there. Then here's the audio that we recorded. So let's record our audio. Like, hey, let's record our audio. So, hey, we're just gonna trim it. Hey, someone's calling. Answer the phone. Or your girlfriend or boyfriend. This audio is recorded. So let's see. So let's record audio. Like, hey, someone's calling. Answer the phone. Or your girlfriend or boyfriend is calling. Answer the phone. So it's up to you how are you going to trim it. So after that, you'll just gonna click generate and it's going to be there. And now we are going to add it. Something like that if you want your pet to be your ringtone. You can. So it's already there. We already generated it in there already, and now we are going to add it in to my ringtone. So it's there. Look. Hey, someone's calling. Answer the phone. Or your girlfriend or boyfriend is calling. Answer the phone. Your friend's calling. Answer the phone. Something like that. Or, ow, 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 ow. See, it's something there already, like guys. So that's how easy to make audio recorded or voice recorded ringtone for your iPhone. So I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos. Thank you. Bye. See you for the next video.